everyone. Welcome back to the Parag YouTubes, and we are going to talk about the World War One. What are the tanks they have been used there? So there are generally three tanks, as you can see. FT-17 Mark IV A7V tanks have been used. So what is tanks? The tanks are derived from the water tank, which the term which is coined by a British. The tanks are the mobile combat vehicles. So coming to the Mark IV, the Mark IV tank has been the advanced version of the of the Britishers, which is a powerful artillery. They appeared in World War One, released by the Britisher. It is the advanced version of Mark One. It was generally used as a security vehicle. It has a weight around 28 tons, speed 6 km per hour, combat range 56 km, and yeah, the crew member it can handle is around 8 members it can handle. So these tanks were used by the Britishers. So coming to the next tank which I am going to talk about is the FT-17. As you can see, the tank is very small and it's a lightweighted. You can see this tank was generally used by the French army. Okay, this tank was generally used by the French army. It was manufactured by the Renault. All right, it was generally manufactured by the Renault. So now we can see this tank. We can see that this is a combat range about 50 kilometers, speed 6 km per hour, weight 6.5 tons, and crew member it can accommodate only 2 members. So it is almost similar to the British way, but it's not that advanced version. Compared to the art I'm going to talk about is today is the German tank, which is A7V. As you can see, this tank is produced by the German army. It defeated both Mark 14 and FT-17 of the French and the British armies. It weighs around 30 tons. It is the most powerful tank, which is controlled by the 2200 HP two-oiled. It has a speed of 9 km per hour. As you can see, 9 km per hour. The combat range is about 30 to 80 km, and the crew member it can handle is 18. So thank you guys. Have a nice day. Hi guys. Do like and subscribe my channel, and please do enjoy your quarantine. Stay safe, stay healthy. Dhanyawad. Namaste.